Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some topics from refractive index. If c is the speed of light in air and v is the speed of light in medium, then refractive index of the medium nm is given by speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium, that is equal to c by v. Next, the refractive index of a medium with respect to vacuum is called absolute refractive index. Cause of refraction of light. Light travels with a different speed in different media. The bending or refraction of light occurs due to the change in speed of light as it passes from one medium to another medium. Okay, the bending or refraction of light. The bending of light is known as refraction of light that occurs due to the change in the speed of light as it passes from one medium to another medium. Then n is equal to sin I divided by sin r, that is equal to c by v. There is no bending or refraction of light when it travels from one medium to another having equal refractive index. If two media having equal refractive index, then there is no bending or refraction of light when it travels from one medium to another. Next point, the refractive index for a given pair of media does not depend on the angle of incidence. It depends on nature of the medium, nature of the surrounding medium, wavelength of light used, temperature. Next point, the optical density of a medium represents its ability to refract light. A medium having larger refractive index is called optically denser medium than the other. A medium having larger refractive index is called optically denser medium. The other medium having lower refractive index is called optically rarer medium. Optically rarer medium means it has lower refractive index. Then next, a ray of light traveling from a rarer medium to a denser medium slows down and bends towards the normal. Okay, when a ray of light traveling from a rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. When a ray of light strikes the surface of separation between the two media at right angles, then angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction is equal to 0 degree. That means the ray of light passes undeflected from one medium to another. Next point, absolute refractive index of a medium never exceeds unity because the speed of light is maximum in vacuum. Absolute refractive index, that is means the speed of light in medium divided by speed of light in vacuum. So, absolute refractive index of a medium never exceeds unity because speed of light is maximum in vacuum. So, maximum value is in the denominator side than the numerator. So, the absolute refractive index of medium never exceeds unity. Next point, the bending of light or refraction occurs due to the change in the speed of light as it passes from one medium to another. The refraction of light, that is due to the change in the speed of light as it passes from one medium to another. Refractive index is minimum in the case of vacuum. Refractive index is maximum for diamond, that is 2.42. In the case of vacuum, refractive index is minimum, that is n is equal to 1. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, that is equal to speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2. N21. What is N21? Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Okay, that is equal to speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2, that is V1 by V2. Then second one, N12. N12 means the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2. That means V2 by V1. Speed of light in medium 2 divided by speed of light in medium 1. Then N21 is equal to N2 by N1. If we want to find N21, that is equal to N2 divided by N1. A transparent medium A floats on another transparent medium B. When a ray of light travels obliquely from A into B, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. Which of the media A and B is optically denser? When a ray of light travels obliquely from A into B, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. Then which of the media A and B is optically denser? A is optically denser than B. A ray bends away from the normal only on entering a rarer medium from a denser medium. A refractive index of media A, B, C and D are A 1.33, B 1.52, C 1.44, D 1.65. Okay. In this case, speed of light is maximum in A because N is minimum in the case of A. Because V is equal to C by N. N is minimum in the case of A, that is 1.33. So, speed of light is maximum in A. And the speed of light is minimum in D because N is maximum in the case of D. That is refractive index is 1.65. So, speed of light is minimum in D. The next third question. The refractive indices of four media A, B, C and D are given. Media A, refractive index 1.33, B 1.50, C 1.52, D 2.40. If light travels from one medium to another, in which will be the change in speed be minimum? Options are B and C, A and C, A and D, D and B. Change in speed be minimum in this case of B and C because in this case the change in refractive index also minimum. Okay, so our option is A, B and C. If light travels from one medium to another, in which case will the change in speed be maximum? Maximum change when the light moves between 1.33 and 2.40. That is A and D. So our option is C. Fourth question. When light travels from one medium to the other, of which the refractive index is different, then which of the following will change? Frequency, wavelength and velocity. Frequency and wavelength, frequency and velocity, wavelength and velocity. When light enters from one medium to another, the wavelength and velocity of the light changes though the frequency remains same. So our option is D. Wavelength and velocity and frequency remains the same. Fifth question. If a ray of light enters from medium A to medium B, the refractive index of medium B relative to A will be greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1, 0. Okay. In this case, ray of light bend towards the normal. Ray of light bend towards the normal. When it goes from medium A to medium B, the medium A is a rarer medium and the medium B, that is a denser medium. This is the denser medium. Okay. Speed of light in rarer medium, that is V1, and speed of light in denser medium, that is V2. So here V1 is greater than V2. V1 is greater than V2 means N is equal to V1 by V2. So N is always greater than 1. So our option is A, greater than 1. Then sixth question. A ray of light enters from water to air and experiences refraction. Then angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. Angle of incidence less than angle of refraction. Then angle of incidence greater than angle of refraction. Angle of incidence by angle of refraction is equal to 0. When a ray of light enters from water to air, this is water, this medium is water and this is angle of incidence. When it enters from water to air has lowest refractive index value. So it bent away from the normal, and this is angle of refraction. So we can say that angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. So our option is B. Okay guys, go through this theory part and MCQ questions, and once again you revise your textbook. Okay, bye.